Hey there, I'm the HVAC Repair Guy. Today we're comparing two popular brands of ductless mini-split air conditioners, ACiQ and Arcoaire. Both brands offer high-quality options, but they are built for different types of owners. ACiQ is a major name in the direct-to-consumer market. Their units are designed with contractor-grade specifications, but include a warranty that is friendly to DIY installations. Arcoaire, meanwhile, is a brand sold through dealers and requires a professional for installation. To keep this comparison fair, we are looking at two models from the same ultimate category, the ACiQ Extreme Heat series, or Gen 4, and the Arcoaire Deluxe series, model D5CPRA. The ACiQ Extreme Heat series is engineered for the toughest winters. It provides 100% heating capacity when it is 5 degrees Fahrenheit outside and can continue operating down to 22 degrees. This model features a 23.5 SEER rating and can support up to 5 indoor zones from a single outdoor unit. For air quality, it comes equipped with HEPA and active carbon filters. On the other side, we have the Arcoaire Deluxe series. This unit is an efficiency leader with a massive 33.1 SEER rating. While it is a single-zone system, it is built for long-term peace of mind. It features a 10-year unit replacement warranty, meaning the brand will replace the entire outdoor unit if a major component fails. Now, for our midpoint question, would you rather have a system that can heat your whole home in extreme sub-zero temperatures, or a single-zone unit with the highest possible energy efficiency? Tell me your choice in the comments section below, and let's get a discussion going. Moving on to the technical details, the ACiQ model is quieter. It has an indoor noise level of 24 decibels and an outdoor level of 53 decibels. The Arcoaire Deluxe is slightly louder, at 29 decibels indoors and 57 decibels outdoors. Both models offer advanced features like voice control and occupancy sensors. In terms of warranties, ACiQ offers 10 years on parts and 12 years on the compressor, with a 1-year unit replacement pledge. Arcoaire provides 10 years for both parts and the compressor, but increases the unit replacement pledge to 10 years. Both brands manufacture these specific models in China. So, what is my final pick? If you need to heat multiple rooms in an extremely cold environment, the ACiQ Extreme Heat series is the winner for its multi-zone support and low ambient performance. However, if you want a single-zone unit with industry-leading efficiency and the strongest replacement guarantee, my final pick is the Arcoaire Deluxe series. That 33.1 SEER rating is simply hard to beat for energy savings. Thanks for watching and stay comfortable.